Gabriel Martinez. I came to the Choice OS with my girlfriend Lisa because I wanted to feel a better connection with her, and then I ended up getting a whole lot more than I ever thought I could.
My name's Chelsea. I'm from San Diego, and I just completed the April Choice OS, and now I just feel this abundance of excitement and just like I can go anywhere, I can do anything, I can be anything, and I have clear direction of what I need to do and the tools to really help me get through any situation or hurdle I might.
It may seem too good to be true. It may seem convoluted and spiritual, but it's not. It's very logical. It's like I have a very direct mind, and I was able to understand everything. There's countless explanations. Mikas will go till the end of the night if he has to make sure that concepts are set into your mind. Yeah, it was a very intense experience, but well worth it. Well worth the introspect, like to look inside, and then to look into other people too. It does help you feel that you're not alone, and if you're feeling alone, or if you're feeling like no one understands you, or maybe you don't understand anybody, this can definitely bring that clarity to your life that you can understand people, and they can understand you, because we all are the same. No matter how different our faces look and what kind of stuff we do, we all want the same things in life.
What do you want?
Happiness.
People are going to be able to actually help you and see you and hear you and really truly know how to get you through it. Not just a psychiatrist taking your money and trying to get you through this, but really finding the root of what's going on and how to really impact your life in a way that's going to help you, like truly help you. And you get to know everybody in your group and just really feeling everyone and their experiences and feeling like you see yourself in other people, and something that you might have not even seen in yourself, you see in the person sitting next to you, and how we're all connected and how we all have these issues, and even if it might not be the focus on you but someone else, and how you can find that maybe their issues or their traumas can really help you realize things about yourself, things that you might have not realized were happening, and how Miki's just can pull this thread, and everyone's connected and everyone is the same, and how we all just want to be one with each other, and just this like magical feeling at the end that now I have this whole new family, and if I ever need help or anything like that, I can always come to you guys, and I can always feel that I have someone there who can maybe redirect me if I'm falling a little bit. And that in itself is just amazing to know that I'm not alone, and that I have an entire community of people and the people who went through my voyage with me. Everything about this place is love and just wanting you to be happy and trying to find that happiness, and that's what it's all about. It's just making the choice to be happy and having the tools to be able to just keep going with that and really know what it is you need to do or want to do or who you want to be. And this place is just so amazing. The love and the happiness, just being around everyone here is just, it's magic, it's mythic.
It's the biggest gift that I have gone for in my life. There's nothing more I would rather do than to dive into myself and discover who I am and where I've come from and where I want to go. I think it gives you all of the tools that you've been looking for, and not just in like some hokey spiritual way, but just like logical ways that make sense. You find such clarity.
The greatest gift for me has just been clarity in my own life. Like I always felt just so sure of myself, and so like I understood everything, and I was just limiting myself on my ability to express myself, my ability to think out of my own box, and I didn't even know it. It was just so, and it was so apparent when I realized it, but I didn't even know how like limiting I was, how just a skewed section of life I was experiencing. And it's been the greatest gift, because now I truly feel like I can do anything, not just in a specific set or a specific way. And just Mikas gave me so many tools to not only like guide my life, but like help my friends and, you know, help my relationship along to keep pursuing that happiness as what I want in life. And that has been my greatest gift, is that clarity.
Like I saw how he was very much closed off to feeling with his heart, and I knew the workshop would really burst his heart open and allow him to feel and to cry and to just feel the human emotions and how beautiful it is. And like, I want a man who can fully feel me and feel our children and like just experience the whole spectrum together. The biggest gift, is just to expose myself and to feel closer than ever that we're a team and that he loves me no matter what, and he's there for me, and I feel like I fully trust him, whereas before I was just like, I don't know, like, we'll see, and I just was very like wishy-washy with him.
You get to see the deepest parts of your partner, and maybe parts that they're afraid to expose to you because they're afraid to risk that comfortableness with you. But in the workshop, it just brings it out, and you realize that your partner still loves you for your faults and for your demons, or for anything that you might suppress or anything you might hide, and she'll still love you, and she'll still take you. She wants to know that you're a human being and that you're not a robot. It's like the most amazing thing ever. Like, I feel closer to Lisa than I ever have. We're engaged. So yeah, it's been amazing.
The greatest gift was just feeling empowered again, finding my direction, and knowing that I know who I am because I choose who I am.
If you really want to feel like your clarity and feel like, damn, I'm fucking intelligent, I'm clever, like I got this, like I can do whatever I want, and I set my intention and that will happen no matter what. And I trust myself again, and I find my pride, and I find my love for myself and all of humanity, because we're all the same, and I am learning to love all the parts of myself, and just, yeah, it's the most beautiful experience, and I would say go for it, because there's nothing better than to feel this. Like, this is living life, not afraid, not hiding, and yeah, just truly experiencing like what makes your heart sing.